I think this should be the first essential, getting a distractor for the baby so that the baby doesn't move up and down. We have two of his toys in front of him, and we also have a phone that is playing Cocomelon and all the songs that he loves. We did, we put him on the baby walker and locked the wheels so he's not able to move. He's just stuck there watching his cartoons, and it becomes easier. It's better than having someone hold him or holding him while you're shaving him, because he'll keep moving up and down and getting distracted, and that is not something you want when you're shaving your son. Guys, you can be amazed how idleness can make you creative and resourceful. Shave, wipe him down with his washcloth, of course, water containing Dettol. Introducing LeBron Kizangila mwenyewe. Look at the hair. Look at how clean that hair is. The guy feels so good. He feels himself. Okay, just doesn't want to turn nicely. I'm calling him right now and he's just lengaing me. Oh, so now you know me? Ama you just want nyam nyam? So guys, let's end it at that. Thank you so much for watching my channel. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go to the button, click the notification bell. Expect more videos, more cute videos with my son. He's just been introduced in this video. I will see you next time.